Fenugreek or Methi is a native plant of Southwest Asia and it is grown for its medicinal properties as well as culinary uses. Its seeds are also used and its leaves are also used in cooking. This is a seasonal plant and it grows in all the climates except when it is too hot or and too dry. Then it won't grow, but otherwise, in most of the climates, it can grow. It can be grown for microgreens also. Growing fenugreek is really easy. So you soak the seeds overnight and then just before planting, you spread it on a paper towel and let it dry for probably half an hour or so that the seeds are separated. Otherwise, when you put it in the soil, they'll be all clumped together. Prepare your container or bed with a lot of organic material like compost and some cocoa peat so that it stays moist. And of course, the container should have good drainage. It likes to have full sun. Unless it was really, really hot weather, then it will require partial shade, but otherwise, it likes full sun. Grow the seeds where you actually want the plants to grow, don't transplant it. So once you put the seeds in, cover it with the soil and then just water it thoroughly. And the seeds should grow within 4 5 days if you soak them overnight. Make sure that the soil is always moist because it has a lot of leaves and they'll require a lot of water. And also, it should get full sun. Within 4 5 weeks, it should be ready to harvest. It will be about 4 5 inches tall, and then you can just prune it from the top. I mean, just leave about 2 inches at the bottom, and you can use the greens. And within 2 weeks or 3 weeks, it will grow back again, and you can prune it again. So this can happen like 3 4 times, and then it won't grow. Then you have to start a new crop. If you want to see the details of growing fenugreek or methi, I have put a video link in the description and you can check it out. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.